Trust Wallet versus Binance. In this video, we are going to be talking about two of the greatest wallets and crypto exchange blockchains out there. And we are going to be talking in great detail on which one of these is the better option for you if you are thinking of going towards the cryptocurrency exchange way. So, to start things off, let's talk a little in detail about both of these. So, cryptocurrencies are becoming widely adopted as the preferred method of digital payment. They require quite a low transaction and they are decentralized, which makes it hard for the government to keep track of people's monetary movement. They also reduce the cost of expenses in foreign countries and can easily garner interest over a short period. Airdrops like Doge are especially notorious for this. Now, while cryptocurrencies come with a low cost of transfer, they do require crypto wallets where they can be temporarily, oftentimes, transactions from these wallets come at a relatively pricey cost. Now, Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers a wallet and a crypto loan. While Trust Wallet, on the other hand, is a mobile version of Binance, which also supports cryptocurrency transfer and loans. They are both prominent for their low cost of transfer. Now, let's go ahead and talk about their main differences. So, the main difference between Trust Wallet and Binance is first of all the transaction fee. Trust Wallet will not ask you for any transaction fees whatsoever, it's totally free. Binance, on the other hand, will require a transaction fee for every crypto blockchain you go ahead and trade on. Then the cryptocurrency assets for Trust Wallet are that it has over 40 cryptocurrency assets. Binance, on the other hand, has 300 cryptocurrency assets, which is obviously, it makes it superior when it comes to the assets. Then moving on, we come over to the user interface. In the user interface, the Trust Wallet offers a more intuitive and beginner friendly interface, which basically means that people are more, accustomed to working with something like this. All right. Then we move over to Binance, where Binance will basically give you a different look. Binance is suitable for extremely experienced cryptocurrency traders. So, when it comes to suitability, accessibility, and everything, they both do have their differences, but when it comes to their key features and capabilities, there's a whole lot more. So, let's go ahead and talk about Trust Wallet first of all. So, Trust Wallet, true crypto ownership, powerful Web3 experiences. You can unlock the power of cryptocurrency assets and explore the world of Web3 with Trust Wallet. Now, Trust Wallet can be downloaded as a mobile app or downloaded as an extension. That depends on you, on whatever you want to use it as. Now, Trust Wallet is trusted by around 140 million people. Founded in 2017, independently audited, ISO certified. So you can see one platform, you get millions of assets. They're not actually millions of them, but you do get a little above 100 assets on it, which is pretty cool. It's simple, seamless, and you can deposit crypto easily from exchanges. Now, when it comes to using it with your browsers, what you can moreover do is go ahead and download its extension. Now, the extension is pretty easy to download. Once you download it and log in with your accounts, it's going to look like this. So I'm simply going to go ahead and enter my password. And once we've done that, simply click on unlock, and this is what it is going to be looking like. So up here, you can see we have different wallets where you can add new wallets, manage your previous wallets, and whatsoever. You can also switch networks for yourself and look at the tons and tons of networks you actually get. So you have Solana, Nova, Blast, Merlin, Zeta, Moonbeam, Aurora, Boba, Cello, and so on. So it depends on you in whichever one you want to use. You can send, receive, swap, buy, and sell different cryptos according to yourself, and also minting NFTs. It's a multi asset wallet where you can store numerous cryptocurrencies in one location with crypto transfers where you can send and receive cryptos seamlessly. Now, there's also decentralized crypto where you can maintain financial anonymity by keeping your financial movements private. You can also stake, where you can place stakes on crypto such as Tron to earn cryptocurrency, and you can simply stake it by either swapping or buying and selling on their very own website. So stake away according to yourself. You can take crypto loans as well, where you can receive loans to a proper Visa card from Trust Wallet for trading activities that you go ahead with. You can also get your crypto MasterCard for physical and digital transactions with decentralized apps and swapping crypto effortlessly with added encryption. Now let's go ahead and talk about Binance. So, Binance, as we all know, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges out there. Now, first of all, Binance is going to help you with speedy transactions where you can send or receive and trade speedily. So to actually trade, there's a lot of tradings to be honest, but there's two main types of trading, spot and margin. Now, most people basically use spot trading for their speedy trades, and you can pretty much come over here. And if you are a good day night time trader for crypto, you definitely know how to use the pipe charts, and these pipe charts help you know how the crypto is currently going. So obviously, according to this, you can go ahead and see if you want to deposit or withdraw from your currencies. Obviously, depends on you. Now, large cryptocurrency trade volumes are also in Binance because the trade in multiple cryptocurrencies pairs of your choice is an option. Then again, you have Crypto Wallet where you can keep track of all of your cryptocurrency assets from one location. Staking, where you can place bets on anything that you require, and you can do that through future, or you can even do that through earn, depending on whatever you want to go with. Then again, you can get crypto loans, exchanges, and participate in cryptocurrency stock markets with Trust Wallet. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the pricing for these two. Trust Wallet and Binance offer different subscription plans. So Trust Wallet is totally free, no money whatsoever required, not even a transaction fee. Binance, on the other hand, will cost you a 0.1% fee with the minimum pricing ranging up to $10 with the withdrawal fees of 0.0005 BTC, which should round you off to about, let's switch it to USD, $53. So those are your withdrawal fees, which is a pretty hefty price to be honest. You know, it's Binance and they do go ahead and take some tax out of you for using their platform. Now, let's go ahead and get into the final moments of the videos. Let's talk about reasons to choose Trust Wallet over Binance, all right? Now, first of all, Trust Wallet is available in all countries. So there is no country in the world that Trust Wallet will not be available to. It can be used in receiving and searching for decentralized or DeFi apps. It has an extremely intuitive interface that you can get along with pretty quickly, I'd say. It is also extremely beginner friendly. Okay, so you can clearly see the interface. It's really simple. It offers mobile trading options because it has a very own mobile app, and it requires no form of payment whatsoever. It offers an easy solution to trading at any time, anywhere in the world. It has numerous cryptocurrency assets. It offers staking options, and the best part, it's decentralized. So, these are the reasons I'd say you would want to choose Trust Wallet over your Binance Wallet. But let's not keep Binance out of the way. Let's talk about the reasons you should choose Binance over Trust Wallet. So, first of all, Binance has advanced analytical tools. So, just by going over here into my spot trading section, you can see how detailed the trading in this actually is. So, advanced analytical tool indeed. It also has a mobile version with trading options as good as the desktop version. Mobile version can also receive decentralized apps for itself, which is pretty cool. It also goes ahead and has a large portfolio of cryptocurrencies that you can find over here. Never ending cryptocurrencies. I'm going to go to the 13th page and it's going to go and it's going to keep on going, which is pretty incredible. Then moving on, it supports amazing large scale trading that you can do. It's suitable for speedy trading. It is suitable for cryptocurrency swapping as well as low costs of transaction. It also gives you crypto loans of any type that you're looking for, and it allows its users to earn cryptocurrency through staking. So basically, as you can see, that's the main idea of both of these. So if I were to give a final verdict, Trust Wallet and Binance are two of the world's largest tools for cryptocurrency trading, although Trust Wallet pales in comparison to Binance because it is the mobile app of Binance. However, it is the most commonly used tool for trading and receiving cryptocurrency on your mobile. It offers almost all the features of Binance and more, including the integration of decentralized apps and tokens. However, Binance offers more advanced trading tools and analytical tools for speedy cryptocurrency trading and exchange. It is suitable for advanced cryptocurrency traders and large scale traders, while Trust Wallet, on the other hand, is more suitable for beginners due to its beginner friendly interface. It is also suitable for easy storage of crypto coins by simple individuals. So, yeah, that's the main idea of both of these. That's Trust Wallet versus Binance. Now, if you choose any one of these, do let me know down in the comments below, and also do let me know why you chose one of them for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, also make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And I will be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.